Hello my dear kids, I hope you all are fit and healthy at your places. Stay home, stay safe. This is your English teacher Himani Joshi and today we are going to study chapter 6 of your grammar book, that is the sentence. Okay, in our last video also we have discussed chapter 6. Okay, what we have discussed in our last video? About sentence. Okay, yes, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay, we have discussed that whenever we start a sentence we write first letter capital. Okay, and at the end we put full stop. Okay, when it is a statement we put full stop, and when we are asking question, we want to know something, then we put question mark. This we have studied. We have also studied about subject and predicate. Subject means about what we are talking in the sentence. Okay, किसके बारे में बात की जा रही है. Okay, about whom we are talking in the sentence. And predicate means what we are talking about the subject. Okay, what subject does. Okay, क्या subject करता है, that is predicate. And subject means subject is the which part? Yes, subject is the speaking part. Speaking part means जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही है. Okay, about whom we are speaking in the sentence, that is called speaking part, means subject. Suppose I have written Ram is a good boy. Okay, here we are speaking about Ram, isn't it? Ram is a good boy. Who is a good boy? Ram. We are getting answer of who from this word. Okay, this noun Ram. Okay, if we write here he in place of noun, okay, we can write pronoun in the place of noun. Ram is a noun, we can put pronoun he for Ram. So what we have done here, we have written he, and rest will be same, is a good boy. Here we are talking about he. Okay, so he is here subject. Here Ram is subject, here he is subject. Who is a good boy? He. We are not having a name, so instead of name we have written here he. Okay, instead of name it is written here he. So he is a subject here, and here Ram is a subject, and rest of the part which is starting with verb. See, verb is here, verb. Okay, this is called predicate. Predicate includes verb. Okay, verb उसमें included होता है. Alright, so Ram is a subject, is a good boy is predicate. He is a subject, is a good boy is predicate again. Okay, this we have discussed. Today we are going to discuss about the kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences. Let us write and learn the spelling. The first kind of sentence is assertive sentence. Okay, ASSERTIVE, assertive sentence. Repeat after me. ASSERTIVE, assertive sentence. SENTENCE, sentence. Okay. Second is interrogative sentence. Second is interrogative sentence. Second is interrogative sentence. Third is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Okay, and the last is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Okay, repeat after me. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. There are 4 kinds of sentences. Okay, repeat the spelling after me. Okay, ASSERTIVE, assertive. ASSERTIVE, assertive. Next is INTERROGATIVE, interrogative sentence. Next is imperative. IMPERATIVE, imperative. See, here also TIV is coming, here also and here also. Okay, imperative. Okay, imperative sentence. Next is exclamatory. Okay, EXCLAMATORY, exclamatory. Exclamatory. Okay, exclamatory. Repeat after me. Assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Again, assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Okay, so there are 4 kinds of sentences. First one is assertive sentence. So let us study about assertive sentence first. Okay, assertive sentence. Okay, these are the most commonly used sentences. Assertive sentence. Okay, assertive sentence, we can say statement sentence also. Okay, statement. Okay, sentences that tell us something. Okay, declare something, state something, that is called assertive sentence. This we have studied in Hindi grammar also. Okay, assertive sentence. Okay, क्या होते हैं assertive sentence? जिसमें कुछ बात बताया जा रहा. Okay, the sentences which are telling us something. Okay, declaring us something. कुछ डिक्लेयर कर रहे हो, कुछ बता रहे हो, कुछ स्टेटमेंट दे रहे हो. ओके, दीज आर सिंपल सेंटेंसेस. वी एंड दीज सेंटेंसेस विथ फुल स्टॉप. ओके, व्हेन वी टॉक वी यूज assertive sentences. Okay, we use assertive sentences. Right now when I am talking to you, I am telling you something. Okay, I am telling you about assertive sentence. Okay, which type of sentence I am telling you? Assertive sentence. So whatever I am speaking, that is also the part of assertive sentence. Okay, जो भी मैं बोल रही हूँ वो भी मैं assertive sentence ही बोल रही हूँ. Why? Because I am telling you something. Okay, what I am doing? I am telling you something. Okay, I am declaring that assertive sentences end with full stop. Okay, this is also a sentence. So this sentence is also the example of assertive sentence. When we want to tell something, declare something or state something, we use assertive sentences. Okay, which type of sentences we use? Assertive sentences. Okay, so assertive sentence ends with full stop. Assertive sentence ends with full stop. For example, this is a beautiful house. Okay, This is a beautiful house. This is a beautiful house. 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 So this is the example of assertive sentence, because here we are declaring something. We are giving our opinion about the पर्टिकुलर हाउस. मैं एक पर्टिकुलर हाउस है उसके बारे में अपना ओपिनियन दे रही हूँ, आपको बता रही हूँ दैट दिस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल हाउस. यह जो घर है वो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है, बहुत ही सुंदर है. ओके, सो व्हाट वी हैव पुट एट द एंड वी हैव पुट फुल स्टॉप. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस इज इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. ओके, इंटेरोगेटिव sentences and with question mark. Okay, interrogative means we are interrogating something. Okay, we are asking something. We are asking something like, where do you live? Okay, where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? We are asking here something. Okay, and at the end we have to put question mark. Okay, this is the example of interrogative sentences. Okay, interrogative sentences. One more example. Is this your book? Okay, यहाँ पे हम क्या पूछ रहे हैं, क्या ये तुम्हारी बुक है? So here also we are ending it with question mark. Okay, whenever we ask question we end it with question mark. Okay, assertive sentences. What are the assertive sentences? In assertive sentences we tell something, we declare something or state something. Okay, in interrogative sentences we ask something. Okay, interrogative sentence means the sentences which are asking something. Okay, जो कुछ पूछ रही हूँ, question. Okay, the sentences which ask questions. Okay, the sentences, interrogative sentences means the sentences which ask questions. Okay, the third kind of sentence is imperative sentence. Okay, in imperative sentence we express permission, command, advice or request. Okay, what we express here? A, advice, R, request, P, permission, C, command, C-O-M-M-A-N-D, command. Okay, if we are giving advice, okay, if we are requesting something, if we are taking permission, if we are commanding something. Okay, advice means like you should wash your hands before and after taking a meal. Okay, हमें खाना खाने से पहले और बाद में हाथ धोने चाहिए. So what we are doing here, we are giving some advice. Okay, fruitful advice we are giving here. So this is an imperative sentence because we are giving here advice and it is ending with full stop. So always imperative sentences always ends with full stop or question mark, either with full stop or with question mark. Okay, next is request. When we request, like please give me your book. Okay, please give me your book. We are requesting here, isn't it? So this is an imperative sentence. Okay, request. We are doing here request. Next is permission, like may I go to play. Okay, may I go to play? क्या मैं खेलने जा सकता हूँ? So this is a question also. Okay, this is a question. क्या मैं खेलने जा सकता हूँ? You are asking. Okay, you are asking something. But in this we are taking permission at the same time. Okay, may I go to play? We are asking and taking the permission. May I go to play? May I go to play? Okay. Next is command. Like be quiet. Be quiet. Okay. This is command that you have to follow. Okay. Command should be followed. So what we have studied in imperative sentences, that imperative sentences include advice, request, permission and command. Advice like you should wash your hands before and after taking a meal. आपको अपने हाथ खाने से पहले और बाद में धोने चाहिए, वॉश करने चाहिए. ठीक है. Request, please give me your book. Request always start with please. Okay. When we do request, we always say please. Okay. Permission, may I go to play? May I go outside? Okay. This is permission. At the same time, we are asking something. So when we ask something, we end it with question mark. Okay. So this is a question, but the main thing is we are taking here permission. Okay. The main thing is we are taking here permission. So it will come in imperative sentence, not in interrogative sentence. Okay. Command. Command means when we are giving order. Okay. When we are giving order. Okay. Be quiet. Move in a line. Okay. And we can read from your book also, page number 33. May I borrow your book, please? Here, please is here. So, see, please is written. So, whenever the please is there, it means it's a request. Okay. And request always comes under imperative sentences. Next, always walk on your left. हमेशा अपने left side को walk करो. So, this is an advice. Okay. Advice also comes under imperative sentences. Next is don't make a noise. Okay. यहाँ पे क्या कह रहे हैं? Don't make a noise. तो ये क्या है? Order है, command है. Okay. So this is also an example of imperative sentence. Next is may I go to play? This is the only example I had given you. Under permission. Okay. We are taking here permission. So we will end it with question mark, but it is not an interrogative sentence. It is an imperative sentence because the main thing is that we are taking permission here. Okay. So that's all in imperative sentence. Now we will study about exclamatory sentences. Okay. And next and the last kind of sentences is exclamatory sentence. Okay. Exclamatory sentences express sudden feeling of joy, excitement, liking or sadness. Okay. Is what we use in exclamatory sentences. Exclamation mark. Okay. Exclamation mark. This mark is used at the end of word or sentence that shows happiness. Okay. Sudden feeling, that shows sudden feeling of happiness, liking, excitement or sadness. Let us study with few examples like what a beautiful, beautiful, what a beautiful house, house, house this is. So with this whole sentence we are showing our feeling. Okay. हम अपनी feeling बता रहे हैं कि क्या सुंदर घर है. ठीक है. So we have to end here with exclamation mark. What we have put here at the end? Exclamation mark. Okay. One more example. Ouch. I got hurt. Okay. Full stop. So here we have put exclamation mark after this word, okay, because it is sudden feeling, okay. When the person got hurt, he immediately said ouch. I got hurt, okay, ouch. This word is showing sudden feelings. So page number 34, ouch, I hurt my fingers. So after ouch, here we have to put exclamation mark. Next, hooray, I have been selected for the Indian football team. So hooray, this is the word which is showing sudden feeling, hooray. So after this we will put exclamation mark. Next, ha ha, I have finished my work early, okay. So ha ha, these two ha ha are showing sudden feelings, okay, sudden feeling. So we will write, we will put here exclamation mark. Next, what a pretty dress. So with this whole sentence we are getting, we are showing our feelings, means what a pretty dress, kya sundar dress hai. So at the end we will write here, we will put here exclamation mark. Ah, I have lost my new pen. So after ah we will put exclamation mark, okay. So now you have to solve today exercise 6.2, okay. The first question is, always good children school go to, means these are the words, okay. You have to write, you have to arrange them in order, you have to unjumble these sentences, okay. In these sentences you have to use capital letters, okay, and punctuation marks also. Punctuation marks means full stop, okay, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, okay. These are the punctuation marks. So you have to use these punctuation marks in question A of exercise 6.2, okay. Before that you have to unjumble these sentences. Always good children school go to. So see the noun here, children and school, okay. So we are not talking here about school, we are talking about children, okay. So how the children are, quality of children is good, okay. So we write good children always, okay, good children always go to school, full stop. What we will put here, full stop, because it is telling us something, okay. This sentence is telling us something. Next, school I go, bus to buy. So I will come first, subject. So which noun is here? School is here and bus is here, but the main is I, okay. जो जाता है, कौन जाता है? मैं जाती हूँ, ठीक है. So I is the main thing here. So about I we are telling the sentence. So I is the subject. So we will put I here. After that, after subject what comes in predicate? In predicate we write first verb. So which is the verb here? Go. I go. अब कहाँ जाते हैं? सबसे पहले प्राइमरी थिंग आएगी, कहाँ जाते हैं? I go. कहाँ जाता हूँ मैं या कहाँ जाती हूँ मैं? To school, okay. I go to school. अब सेकेंडरी थिंग कि किससे जाते हैं? I go to school by bus. Then full stop. This is also a statement. We are telling here something, declaring something, okay. Next, branches has a tree many. So we are talking here about tree, ठीक है. So a tree, एक tree, okay. A tree is subject. Now predicate, okay. Predicate will start with has. Has is also a verb. A tree has branches, many branches, okay. कितनी branches है? Many. So a tree has many branches. Full stop. Next is woolen wear clothes winter in we. So here we will come at first. We is subject. Wear is a verb. We wear, क्या पहनते हैं? Woolen clothes. Woolen clothes कब पहनते हैं? In winter. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Full stop. Next is motherland. India is our. So India, we are talking here about India. India is our motherland. Full stop. So these all are the examples of assertive sentences. क्या थी? Assertive sentence हैं सारे. Because these all are ending with full stop and they are declaring or stating or telling us something, okay. Next, question number B, you have to arrange these words in the form of statement. Statement means assertive sentences, and in the form of questions. Questions means interrogative sentences. Okay, in sentence, hence we are wash meal before every should. So we should क्या करना चाहिए? Wash करना चाहिए. क्या wash करना चाहिए? अपने हाथ. कब wash करना चाहिए? Before every meal. So we should wash our hands before every meal. Here we is subject. Okay, should wash our hands before every meal is predicate. So when we convert this sentence into question, we will write should at first and rest of the part will be same, and at the end we will put question mark. Same with next question, I help you can. I can help you. So when we will make it question, we will write can at first, can I help you, then question mark. Okay. This national animal is the peacock. Are so किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? About peacock we are talking here. The peacock. फिर now predicate will start. So predicate always starts with verb. So here verb is. The peacock is क्या है? As national animal किसका? Are. Okay, the peacock is our national animal. Full stop. Now if you make it question, we will put is at first. Okay, is peacock our national animal? Question mark. Next, likes the elephant sugarcane. So all elephant and sugarcane are the nouns here. So we will put elephant here. Okay, because we are talking about elephant. The elephant. Or now predicate. Okay, predicate starts with verb. So here verb is likes. The elephant likes sugarcane. Full stop. Now see here, no word is given here to make it question. So we will put does. Okay, does elephant like sugarcane? Question mark. We will put here does, because with singular we put does. Okay, with plural we put do, and with singular we put does. Okay. So does elephant like sugarcane? Question mark. Okay. Next also you will write accordingly, means you have to write in first ones. You have to write is at first. Next you will write have at first. Next you will write are at first. Next you will write do at first. Next you will write is at first. Okay. With the help of these words only. Okay. The words given in exercise C. With the help of these words only you have to make question. Okay, don't use extra words. With the help of these words only you have to learn to make question. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening me patiently. If you need any help, you can contact me directly without any hesitation. Okay, I am there for you between 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, you can clear your doubts. Thank you. Have a nice day. We will meet in our next video. Take care. Bye-bye.